Imagine a life where every goal you pursue is met with clarity, confidence, and a deep inner calm. A life where success is not just measured by wealth, fame, or accolades, but by the profound sense of peace within your heart. A life where challenges no longer shake your inner being, because you are rooted in something far greater than circumstance. This is not a dream. This is the promise of spirituality, and no one has illuminated this path more brilliantly than Paramahansa Yogananda, the author of Autobiography of a Yogi, a spiritual luminary who has inspired millions worldwide to achieve not just worldly success, but also lasting inner peace. Subscribe the channel and stay till the end to understand how to gain great success and peace through spirituality, guided by the timeless teachings of Yogananda. Understanding spiritual success. Most people think of success as something external, a promotion, a large bank account, or recognition in society. While these achievements have their place, Yogananda reminds us that external success is fleeting unless it is built upon a solid foundation of inner peace. Spiritual success, according to Yogananda, begins with self-mastery. It is the art of controlling your mind, your emotions, and your desires so that your actions flow from clarity and not from confusion. He often said, "Success is not found in power or position alone. It is found in the inner harmony that lets you act with love, courage, and wisdom. This inner harmony allows you to face challenges without panic, to make decisions without doubt, and to live each moment fully without being enslaved to your fears or ego." In essence, spiritual success transforms ordinary ambition into enlightened action. The role of meditation. The first step to achieving both peace and success is meditation, the cornerstone of Yogananda's teachings. Meditation is not merely sitting quietly. It is a disciplined journey inward, where the mind learns to focus, the heart opens to divine guidance, and the soul reconnects with its eternal source. Yogananda emphasized Kriya Yoga as a method to accelerate spiritual growth. But even if one is not ready for advanced practices, he assured that daily meditation for even a few minutes can transform life. Here's why. Meditation calms the restless mind, reducing stress and anxiety. It awakens intuition, allowing you to make decisions with clarity. It strengthens your inner resilience, so you can face adversity without losing composure. Think of meditation as the engine room of your life. The calmer and more focused your inner self, the more effectively your actions in the external world bear fruit. Yogananda often said, "The calmer your mind, the greater your capacity to manifest success in every aspect of life." The principle of karma and right action. Success in the world is intimately connected with right action, doing your duty with integrity, dedication, and mindfulness. Yogananda taught that every action has a law of cause and effect. This is the spiritual law of karma. Every thought, word, and deed leaves an imprint in your life. By aligning your actions with truth, compassion, and selflessness, you naturally attract positive outcomes. This does not mean neglecting ambition or worldly goals. Rather, it means pursuing them with awareness and without selfish attachment. Practical guidance from Yogananda. Work diligently and wholeheartedly. Your effort is a prayer in action. Avoid unethical shortcuts. True success cannot be built on deceit. Serve others whenever possible. Selfless action multiplies blessings and creates harmony in your life. When your actions are aligned with spiritual principles, success flows effortlessly, and the stress and struggle that often accompany ambition diminish. The balance between material and spiritual life. One of the most common struggles people face is balancing worldly success with spiritual growth. Many believe you must choose between wealth and inner peace. Yogananda's teachings shatter this myth. He believed that worldly success and spiritual advancement are not mutually exclusive. In fact, they can complement each other when approached with consciousness. Here's how. Set higher intentions. Let your goals serve a higher purpose. Financial success can be a tool for service, creativity, and personal growth. Maintain daily spiritual practice. Even amidst a busy career, dedicate time to meditation, prayer, or reflection. This keeps your inner compass steady. Detach from outcomes. Work diligently, but do not cling to results. Success that is rooted in ego attachment breeds stress. Success that flows from inner harmony cultivates lasting peace. Yogananda often emphasized that a spiritually grounded person can handle both abundance and adversity with equanimity, because their identity is not limited to external circumstances. The power of positive thought and affirmation. Yogananda taught that thoughts shape destiny. A mind filled with fear, doubt, or negativity will attract failure and anxiety. Conversely, a mind nurtured with faith, optimism, and positive affirmation will manifest success and joy. He encouraged the practice of daily affirmations such as, "I am divinely guided in all that I do. Peace flows through me, and success follows naturally. I am a channel of love, wisdom, and prosperity." By repeating these affirmations with conviction, you reprogram your subconscious mind, removing mental blocks and aligning your energy with the vibration of success and peace. Detachment and inner freedom. One of the most profound teachings of Yogananda is the concept of detachment. This does not mean renouncing life or ambition. Rather, it means not letting your happiness depend entirely on external circumstances. Detachment provides inner freedom, the freedom to act without fear, to pursue goals without anxiety, and to remain serene regardless of outcomes. Yogananda explained, attachment is the root of fear. Fear is the root of failure. Let go of attachment and you gain both peace and success. In practice, detachment is cultivated by observing your thoughts and emotions without judgment, offering the results of your actions to God or the universe, understanding the impermanence of material gains and losses. This spiritual perspective transforms every challenge into an opportunity for growth rather than a source of stress. Service as a path to fulfillment. Yogananda repeatedly stressed that selfless service is the fastest path to true success and lasting peace. When you contribute to the welfare of others, you open the doors of divine grace, attract goodwill, and cultivate inner satisfaction that no material possession can match. Practical examples include mentoring or guiding someone with your skills, donating your time or resources to those in need, bringing positivity and encouragement to your community or workplace. Through service, you move from self-centered ambition to spiritually enlightened action, which multiplies both worldly and inner achievements. Overcoming fear and stress. Fear, anxiety, and stress are the greatest obstacles to success. Yogananda taught that spiritual practices neutralize these negative forces by connecting the mind to a higher, unshakable source. Techniques he recommended include daily meditation to calm the mind, affirmations to replace fear with faith, conscious breathing to stabilize emotions, prayer and surrender to divine will. He said, "A man who conquers fear has already tasted the sweetness of heaven on earth." Fear binds, faith liberates. By systematically applying these principles, you gradually develop mental resilience, allowing you to navigate life's uncertainties with courage and grace. The role of faith and devotion. Faith is the spiritual fuel that powers all efforts. Yogananda emphasized that success is not only about hard work, but also about trusting the divine plan. Devotion, prayer, and inner surrender do not replace effort, they enhance it. When you act in harmony with divine guidance, opportunities appear, synchronicities unfold, and your path becomes smoother. Yogananda often said, when you commune with God within, your mind becomes a magnet for all that is necessary for your highest good. This faith transforms ordinary action into miraculous achievement, blending effort with divine support, real-life application, daily spiritual discipline. To gain both success and peace, Yogananda advised integrating spirituality into everyday life through consistent daily disciplines. Morning meditation or prayer. Start the day connected to your higher self. Visualization of goals. Imagine success in alignment with ethical and spiritual values. Mindful action. Work with full attention and integrity. Evening reflection. Review the day's actions, learn, and surrender outcomes. Regular study of spiritual teachings. This strengthens wisdom, perspective, and inner guidance. Over time, these simple habits transform your mind, body, and spirit, creating a life of flow, balance, and abundant fulfillment. Spiritual perspective on wealth and success. Yogananda never condemned wealth, but emphasized that spiritually conscious wealth is a tool, not a goal. Wealth achieved through honesty, diligence, and service can be a blessing, but wealth pursued solely for ego or greed leads to inner emptiness. Spirituality teaches us to use wealth responsibly and generously, cultivate contentment and gratitude, understand that true richness is measured by peace, not possessions. In this way, success becomes a reflection of inner harmony, not just external achievement. The ultimate secret union with divine consciousness. At the core of Yogananda's teachings is the understanding that ultimate success and eternal peace arise from realizing your divine nature. When you recognize that your soul is eternal, that you are a spark of the infinite, worldly challenges lose their power to disturb you. This realization leads to unshakable confidence, fearless action, boundless joy, deep serenity. As Yogananda beautifully said, when you awaken the Christ within, all outer success naturally flows. The universe itself conspires to fulfill your purpose. This is the pinnacle of spiritual achievement. Perfect peace, complete fulfillment, and effortless success. In the end, the path to great success and inner peace is not about working harder, chasing more, or forcing outcomes. It is about aligning your life with spiritual laws, nurturing your inner self, and acting with clarity, integrity, and devotion. Paramahansa Yogananda's timeless wisdom teaches us that meditation strengthens the mind and intuition. Right action guided by love and integrity attracts abundance. Detachment and service cultivate inner freedom. Faith and devotion align you with divine guidance. By integrating these principles into daily life, you can achieve both worldly success and spiritual fulfillment. You can live a life where every challenge becomes an opportunity, every action becomes meaningful, and every moment is infused with peace, joy, and purpose. So take a deep breath, turn inward, and let the light of your soul guide your path. Success and peace are not distant dreams. They are your birthright, waiting to be realized through the power of spirituality. Thank you for joining us. We hope this video has offered you inspiration and insight on your own spiritual journey. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Keep practicing, keep growing, and keep walking the path of inner mastery.